Pranam.
Pranam Sariko.
There is a question in my mind since long time. My question is,
What is your question?
what is the concept of Madhuradvaita by you? Please pursue it in details.
Very fine question. You are first persons to ask about this question. First of all, you listen attentively Madhu Sukta belonging to Rigveda. Let us now be listen. This is the Madhu Sukta from Rigveda. I very much like right from my childhood. What is Madhu Vata? First we understand the pursuit what is Sukta says. The soul, freed from the Supreme Soul, he always inner side in his conscious, he always plays his divine separations to meet the Supreme Soul. So he followed so many techniques, just like Hatha Yoga, Lay Yoga, Raj Yoga, Mahayoga, Mantra Yoga, and goes to holy feet of the Master. So when I was once came from my senses out of Brahma Samadhi, I feel sweetness, ecstasy of sweetness, very fine ecstasy. So when the devotee exclusively that type experience with ecstasy, he feels or she feels, he want to meet that Supreme Soul when from he freed. First we understand the Madhuvata Rita. What is Madhuvata? To us, Rusi says, Seeker says, to us, wind may be breeze blowing on sweetly. Surya may be sweet. Our vanaspati, herbs and vanaspati, snake, plant, it is also may be sweet and sweet. Our cows also may be sweet. Our Surya may be sweet, don't may be heat or hot. Our rivers also may be sweet. Our night and day also may be sweet. Our earth, planets, each and every atom of the earth may be sweet. And our life also be sweet and sweet and sweet. This is called Madhura Advaita by Rosis. So why my concept is Madhura Advaita? First we compare with Acharyas has been said this concept just like Suddhadvaita by Vallabhacharya, Vedadvaita by Madhvacharya, Vishishtadvaita by Ramanujacharya, Kevaladvaita by Adi Shankaracharya. So they all felt this type of experience. What is experience? The status of Supreme. They merges in the Supreme power and felt wisdom, eternal bliss, and they try to express, give to framework about their experience. First we know about Vallabhacharya. Vallabhacharya says Suddhadvaita. Why Suddhadvaita? He says when the soul emerges into the Supreme Soul, or unification of soul with the super soul, when the devotee tame his senses, there was a Shuddha element is present in these supreme situations. So it is called the Shuddha Advaita. There is a non-duality, Advaita, but the Shuddha pure Advaita, pure duality. Sri Ramanujacharya says his experience about supreme power. He says when the unification of soul with super soul, there is a Vishishta, exclusive element, there is a present. So he gives the framework, that is the Vishuddhadvaita, pure Advaita, no duality, having unduality, but pure duality, Vishishta Advaita. Our Madhvacharya, his concept is Veda Abheda Advaita. When the union of the soul with the super soul, when the devotee became in the outward, she tried to express, he said there is a little small difference there present. So Ved Abhed Advait, Veda Ved Advait. At last Shankaracharya in the 15th century, he said Kevaladvaita. When the union, sweet union with of soul with super soul, there is a no thing, no time, no space, only and only beingness. So Shankaracharya has told, this is not, that is not, it is not, there is nothing. Only existence. Only there is existence. only we can say that is existence, only beingness, nothing else. My experience, I try to in viewing in the framework, in the darshan, when the unification of the soul with super soul, I felt this. Once I came out from this Dharmamed Samadhi, my inner state full of its joy, full of its joy and sweetness. So I said, my concept is Madhurabhet. There is in this unification, there is a sweetness, sentiment. Other one is ecstasy, divine ecstasy, not sentiment. Divine ecstasy is present there. So I say this is concept called by me Madhurabhet. One, for example, the being freed from the Supreme Being, he always feels divine separation from that Supreme Power. And love also, great love is great supreme separation, great separation is the great love. And that is the real renunciation. Renunciation means tyag. So real tyag is, that is the real tyag. So my Madhurabhet concept says one side is separation, one side is love. There is a one divine coin, two sides, but inseparable, not separable. For instance, the sweet flower and its most pleasant fragrance are one and inseparable. The experience of eternal bliss is inseparable in the being conscious. Whenever he goes, there becomes a good atmosphere, pleasant atmosphere, and who will goes toward that person, he also feel pleasantness, sweetness, peace, etc. All beings come on the earth with this right for the Madhurabhet. Each and every being has to right for feel this Madhurabhet. When the being behave in the universe, in the world, totally universe, entire universe, with real, with illusion, delusion and illusion. But in the Kevaladvaita, in the sweet union of the soul with super soul, there is no vikaras, no illusion, no delusion, nothing projection, no illusion, kevalam rapture, self-rapture. Sadhak, when they come from this experience, his behavior become very sweet, most sweet. He always feel in his conscious sweetness. If he in the sleep, in the sound sleep, at the work, wherever he goes, but he can't forget this experience, union of soul with super soul. It is Madhurabhet. Do you understood very well? Any question about this Madhurabhet? Okay, you can ask second time, next time.
Thank you.